Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a super quick Christmas stocking gift that you could put in there. So I'm actually going to be showing you how to do this super cute key fob. It's made super shiny and it's made out of like a canva material, and it's also flax leather. I don't know the right name, but it has this pom-pom and this tassel. So what we're going to be needing for this is going to be the tool with the little clip, and actually we're going to be using scissors. You could do it with the Cricut, because with the Cricut you're able to do a bunch, like 6 or 7 in a row, or you could also do it with this one. So the measurements for the task for the key fob has to be 11 inches long-wise and then 1 inch. And let me show you a few examples that I've done. So this is actually my personal one. It says blessed. It's black and it has glitter. And then I also have this one that's like the gym cart. It has a pink pom-pom with the pink tassel and this super cute textured flax leather. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Sorry, my light just dinged. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I'm gonna put the actual word up here. Then I have these like very Christmassy ones for my cheetah lovers, the one with the straight hair, and then the one with the crunched in one. For my fancy ladies, the black with glitter, the pink with texture and glitter. And then for my baseball mamas, which is a simple one with glitter, and then this one actually says, let me see if I can put it here. Oh no, you can't. But this one says baseball mom. So yeah. So anyways, we're actually going to be doing this one. We're going to be doing this specific one. So let's get started. Bible verse of the week is going to be Matthew chapter 10 verse 30 through 31, which is from King James Version. So verse 30 says, "But the very hairs of your head are all numbered." And verse 31 says, "Fear ye not, therefore ye are of more value than many sparrows." So I encourage you to look into this Bible verse because it's super pretty. I understand it better in Spanish. I'm going to put the Spanish version in my other channel, but this one's going to be in English. And let me know what you think of this one. This one's also one of my favorite Bible verses. God bless you all, and let's get started with the Christmas craft. So let's get started on how to do it. Okay, so I have so many options to choose from flax leather, but I decided to go with this sheet. It's actually from Hobby Lobby. And look at this blue, it's so beautiful. They have it in blue and they have it in gold. I already have a gold one. So I'm gonna do a simple one. This one is actually like a canvas material, like a canvas material, and it's right here. This is the information. It's $2.49. You get it 50% off, or when they have those sales going on, obviously it's a lot cheaper, and you could get so many out of them. So today I'm actually going to show you how to use the scissor ones, because not all of us have the money to afford a Cricut maker, or don't want to invest in it because we don't do that many crafts. But this is a super simple craft for a Christmas stocking or a little gift that you want to give as an appreciation thing, or whatever you want to use it for. But I'm trying to take this thing off, the sticker. I don't have my ruler with me, but I'm going to be going based on this one. Like I said, it is 1 inch by 11, and I'm just going to trace it. You're not able to see this. Let me try to see how you guys could. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trace this one. Like I mentioned, it's 1 inch by 11, and I'm just gonna cut it. So if you have a ruler, then use the ruler and do the 1 by 11. If you have your Cricut, then use your Cricut. But for your Cricut, you are gonna have to use the rotary blade. I believe that's what it's called. Anyways, let me go ahead and cut this one and show you how this one is done. Okay, I already have my piece traced. You could see the line. Let me go ahead and cut it. so here's the piece. Now to take all those little hairs off, we're just gonna turn on a quick lighter and pass it over through every side. So okay, now that I have my lighter, sorry, I went to go get my lighter. I went to go get my lighter, and my husband's eating Whataburger, so he gave me a bite. So good. Okay, so all we're doing, we're just burning those little excess hairs off. I got a little tired, so I'm breathing heavy. Pregnant things. Okay, there. So it's all burned. So now that we're done burning this one and cutting it, I actually picked the accessories out for it. So it's this cute little tassel with this pom-pom. So what we need is this right here. We need this tool. I got it in Amazon. It was cheap. I'll try to look for the link and put it down below. If not, you could use any hardware tool that's flat. And you could just buy these little thingies. Okay, so all we're gonna do is put them together, put the corners together, the ends. I always make sure it's like the same. Put that aside. Now I put my little holder in here, and I push on it a little bit just so that I could have it ready. Then I grab my little tassel, my little key fob that I'm about to do, and I put it in here like so. Just make sure it's lined up, and then I push. Okay, everything's good. Yeah. Okay, push. I pick it back up and I put it on the top, and I push it hard so it could clip, like really clip in there. Just don't overdo it because it breaks. Okay, so you see those little teeth already grabbed in it. So here it is. This is our first craft. And then all we're gonna do is, you could put your tassel in through here, or you could put it in one of those little earring hoops. So it's like this. And then I actually put this here. So there we have it, our first craft. Hope you like it. It's so pretty, it's so glittery, it's so shiny. And all this was under, honestly, this was under like $5. And I'm saying $5 because you can make a lot out of all those $5. So that is this. So thank you all for watching my first Christmas stocking gift. Stay tuned because I will be doing a few more on the week, or throughout the week, or throughout the months. I don't know. We will see. But thank you very much. If you like it, don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.